It came out. Oh, look, it's got a thing on it. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Higher? Lower?
Up. There you go. Oh, you were there. Right there.
No, there's...
Yes, that's pretty much it. Just wiggle around and find it.
Yeah, because this bracket won't come off because of that one screw. Hold on now. You got to go lower. Hold on, let me get the lower one.
Come on.
It's not in there, is it?
What? No, you won't.
Hold on, I could see it.
Is it off?
Yeah, it's off. Pull it a little bit out.
Thank God.
Pull it? What are you doing?
Move your hand. Go. I got it. Oh.
Pull it out here.
We can't.
Pull it.
We can't.
What?
We didn't think it through.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
What?
The pump wires.
Oh, f*** me. You didn't pull them out? I thought you pulled the pump wires off.
I pulled one of them off.
You didn't pull them all off?
No.
Oh, my God.
Hold on.
Next time when I say pull the wires off.
I got it. All right, I got it. Hold on. And you're going to have to grab it through the other side.
Grab what?
I guess you hold it. You got it?
Yeah. Brian, when I say pull the pump wire, oh, you mean that pump wire there?
Both of them have to be fed through the bracket.
You're not pulling the wire?
I am pulling the wire, man. You realize how many wires are back here? Pump wire was one of the first wires I put in. Okay. It's underneath all the Corsair stuff, all the hard drive stuff. Hold the bracket.
Which bracket?
That bracket.
All right, get the pail.
All right, here we go. These got to be out of the water's way.
Yeah, well, you're going to put the pail up here,
Where's
man.
the hose?
We don't need the hose. You're going to put this in the pail.
And just open it over it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me get ready.
Yeah, you could do it, but once it starts coming out, you got to twist it as fast as you can.
Loosen it. Take it off as fast as I can?
Yeah, because the water, I don't want the water to get on the pump if I can help it.
Okay, you
Which
ready?
way is off? To the left.
Loosey.
No, you're going the wrong way.
No, I'm
man.
not. It's the right way. You ready?
Yeah, Ryan, just do it as fast. Turn it.
Okay, I'm trying. Here it goes.
Turn it.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, hold on. Go.
Now you're telling me to hold on?
Isn't it just the clamp? It won't leak until you pull it actually out?
More or less, but it's still going to a little bit, maybe.
No, turn that off. Now, how does this come out? We just pull it out?
pull it off.
All right.
All right.
The hose is the thing that's going to squirt out. I'm not worried about what's in
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, that's easy.
Am I getting it's coming out of the bottom or no?
No, you're fine. I think we need to
I'm worried about it coming out of the bottom of the pump because
no,
I thought I saw it dripping.
No, you're fine. Oh yeah, tilt it more towards me. Like
what's towards you?
You got to move it around, get all the water out of the pump.
Well, we could do that later. Take the other hose off. I can do that. The pump's not going to be connected. I can turn it.
Oh no, that's not what I wanted. I loosened the
No, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, it was an accident. Alright, here it goes. Wow, that was a lot less scary than I thought it would be.
I didn't think it would be scary.
I did. I thought it was going to rush out like a
no, I didn't
broken
think
pipe.
So. See, the rest of it's not even going to come out.
How do we get the rest out?
I told you, that's the problem.
No, there's got to be a trick. Are we supposed to run the pump? No.
No. You're going to have to take that off with a funnel underneath it, I think. Because most of the water didn't come out. Most of the water's in the radiator.
We need to get what's in the radiator, or is that it? Is the radiator empty? I think it is, right? It must be.
It might be.
Or
we're at a lower level. I think there's still going to be some in there, but you're not going to get it out. If we take this whole block off, what I'm saying is this is still going to be sealed, right?
Yes.
So at least we could take this whole block and move it out here and then put the funnel underneath it when we disconnect the hose, just like we did these.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
That way I won't be worried about putting water on this. You know what? Get a piece of paper towel, roll it up like a pencil, and put it inside here.
That's a good idea. It's little residual drops.
Yeah, I know.
Can I try and tilt the system and see if anything...
Tilt the system? Not right now.
Well, you should have did that before you put your paper towel in there.
That's
I should lift the front of the system up. That way any water in here falls to the back and comes out. I was hoping to flush that somehow. Because there's gunk. Look at all the gunk on my EK.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. I would say you just use that squirt
take
bottle.
This off and
Yeah, we got to use that squirt bottle.
tip it.
No, we got to use that squirt bottle and rinse it and let the water come out here.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Want me to do it again or
so
no?
we're gonna take these off now.
I think so. I don't know what else.
You might as well. You might as well, and then that's as clear as it's gonna get. I think most of it came out. Just take the whole block off.
All right. I don't really remember how.
You don't? You
No.
turn those, Ryan.
Do I push them down and turn them, or
No,
just
you just turn them. Just loosen each one. Don't take it completely off. I think you should put some paper towel down there.
Okay.
Cover your power supply with paper towel now.
Here she comes.
Yeah, we'll just get it over to the pail. As soon as you... Don't lift it down.
All right. Let's see how we did.
Yeah.
Oh,
we
not
put,
bad.
We put
Not
a
bad.
little too much on here, didn't we?
Yeah, but it didn't cover this part. You see?
Yeah.
Because
I know.
that corner was completely.
Yeah, but that's
Almost not even
okay.
covered.
That's pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
All right, now you
got the main part.
now you got to do the main hose
Which
over the
one do you
pail.
want me to do first?
The one that's got water in
This
it.
one. Okay.
You can
Can you
take
bring
the other
this
one
up?
off. Take the other one off first. I think you ordered.
I ordered some more fittings because we have to add the drain port, but we're going to reuse these fittings. Absolutely. Gonna wash them.
I wish you had. Yeah, I would. Be careful, man.
All right. Well, you need to. This one was in the water, so it needs to be like dried.
Oh, we still got to get one off.
Yeah.
You could actually. No, you can't take
Wait.
that other hose off.
Ooh,
Oh,
ooh,
get
ooh,
more into the pail, man.
Ooh.
More into the
Hold
pail.
on, that's the little bit that was in the hose. Empty as it's gonna get.
Okay. What do you want? Can't you just put the valve on there?
I guess.
Does this come off and replaced by the valve or not?
No, I think it should screw into there. I have to get it.
I don't know.
Temporarily.
Yeah, temporarily, just so it won't leak.
Wow, look at this. So this is the ball joint that we're putting on.
Well, we don't know.
And when
if
you
we'll
turn
do
it-
that. Yeah,
Hold on.
That's why it's called a ball joint. There's a ball inside.
Look at that. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
It's blocked now.
Come on, man.
What?
I'm holding the pail and everything
Bruised
at
by
an
that.
awkward angle.